Good morning, students. In today's videos, we are going to discuss about the chemistry in our daily life. So, students, in this chapter, we will study about the acids, bases and salt and their products in our day-to-day life. In everyday life, what are the role of these products that are made up of acids, bases and salts? Very interesting chapter, students. So let's we start with the acids. So students, first of all, we are going to start with the acids. Students, in 10th class, acids are not a new thing. In the introduction part, every student knows. This is only for the recapitulation purpose. Recapitulation purpose means we have to only revise the things that you have studied in the lower classes, like that in 8th class, 9th class, even that 7th class also. So this is not a new thing for you. Okay, students. So without wasting the time, we start acids. Actually, students, what are the acids? If you see the journal definitions, if you see the physical properties of the acids, first of all, acids are those substances. Acids are those substances which are sour, खट्टे, sour to taste. एसिड्स वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो टेस्ट में खट्टे होते हैं, सोर होते हैं, चखने में बिल्कुल खट्टे. सेकंड, कोमा, टर्न्स blue litmus to red. Or students, if in the acidic solution में if we put blue litmus paper, it turns into red. वो रेड में चेंज हो जाता है. So this is the main physical properties of the acid. But these are not enough for you, because you have to study different concepts about the acids which are given by the different chemists. In this chapter, everything will be explained. The concept of the bases. Three concepts we have got in this chapter. All the concept will be explained to you. But before that, let me start with the previous knowledge to you. Students, classification of acid. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एसिड्स. ये जो एसिड्स है कितने टाइप के होते हैं, उनको हम क्लासिफाई करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी क्लासिफाई द एसिड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर sources. Sources means the thing from which we get the acids. On the basis of the sources, on the basis of the availability, they are classified in two categories. First is organic acid, second one is inorganic acid. Organic acid and inorganic acids. There are two types of acids on the basis of their availability, on the basis of their sources. If I tell organic acids, so students, what are the organic acids? Organic acids are those acids which we obtain from the plants or animals. Means those acids which are obtained from plants or animals. It means they are naturally occurring acids. If you see the examples, here we have got some organic acids. We have got a long list of organic acids. Organic acids, organic acids and their sources. If I start from first, that is vinegar. You know vinegar. From the vinegar, sirka, we get acetic acid. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. This acetic acid or ethanoic acids we obtain from vinegar, and you know that vinegar is used to preserve pickles for a long time. So this is about the vinegar. After that, second, like that your lactic acid. Lactic acid. Students, this lactic acid is not a new thing for you, and this lactic acid we obtain from curd or सोर मिल्क. दूध खट्टा हो जाता है या दूध से दही बन जाता है, तो इन कर्ड, इन सोर मिल्क वी हैव गॉट लैक्टिक एसिड. So students, acetic acid comes from vinegar, lactic acid comes from curd or sour milk. And third, citric acid. Citric acid. This citric acid, students, comes from citrus fruit. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits means खट्टे फल, like that lemon, amla, orange. From these we get citric acid. Next, students, after citric acid, your formic acid. Formic acid. Other name of formic acid is methanoic acid. This acid comes from ant sting. Ants sting. स्टूडेंट्स, जो चींटी होती है उसके स्टिंग में भी फॉर्मिक एसिड होता है. व्हेन एनी एंट बाइट्स यू, काटती है, इट इंजेक्ट फॉर्मिक एसिड इनटू योर स्किन एंड you get irritation, pain, swelling on that area, on that particular area. So this is formic acid. After formic acid, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. Oxalic acid, it comes from your spinach. Spinach, your palak. Next organic acid, malic acid. Malic acid. This acid comes from apples. Next, tartaric acid. tartaric acid. It comes from tamarind, imli. Tartaric acid means imli. So these are the main organic acid which comes from plants as well as animals. So students, this is the list that you can learn. This is the introduction part of the acids. Still so much is left that we have to cover. After that students, organic acid I have told you. Now inorganic acid. Inorganic acid. Inorganic acids are those acids which are prepared with the help of minerals in laboratory, especially in lab. These are man-made acids. They are strong also. If we consume them, it's very harmful for us. If that organic acid we consume, they are not harmful for us. Organic acids are not corrosive in nature, but inorganic acids are highly corrosive in nature. They can burn the things. They can burn our skin. Even that they can damage our internal organs also if by mistake it is consumed. So we have to be very careful while we handle these inorganic acids. Here some examples are there that inorganic acids. Like that your H2SO4. Everybody know about the H2SO4. Those who are in 10th class. That is sulfuric acid. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, ये वेरी पावरफुल होता है, वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. आफ्टर दैट HCl, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. दिस इज ऑल्सो very strong. After that HNO3, nitric acid. This is also man-made. After that your H3PO4, phosphoric acid. This is also strong, man-made. H2CO3, carbonic acid. This is also inorganic acid. But this H3PO4 and H2CO3, they are not that much corrosive like that hydrochloric acid, like that sulfuric acid. So students, here we have discussed about the organic acids and inorganic acids. And now, second classification, that on the basis of strength, on the basis of strength. Second classification of acids is based on the basis of strength. ये स्ट्रेंथ पे बेस होता है स्टूडेंट्स. देयर आर टू टाइप्स. वन इज strong acid, second one is weak acids. Strong acid and weak acids. First we see about the strong acids. Strong acids, all the inorganic acids are strong acid. But here the very important, the definition of strong acids means the acids which produce what? A large amount of hydrogen ion, H plus ions, or hydronium ion. Means the acids which produce a large amount of hydrogen ions or hydronium ion, where in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means when they are dissolved in water, that time they break and they produce a large amount of hydrogen ions, H plus ions. How they produce? This is very important thing. कैसे प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल HCl, hydrochloric acid, when dissolved in water in aqueous solution, this hydrochloric acid produce here H plus ions. H plus ions, that is in aqueous solution only, and Cl minus ions. So here this H plus ions is produced by hydrochloric acid. If you take another example like that HNO3, nitric acid, in aqueous solution it gives H plus along with the nitrate ions, NO3 minus. This is also in aqueous. So here I have given the example of HCl. Here I have given the example of HNO3. You can take the example of H2SO4 also. This is H2SO4. In aqueous solution, here H2, it means here H plus ion will come, but here 2, so 2 hydrogen ions, 2 H plus ions followed by sulfate ion SO4, and this is also 2 minus. Next, H2CO3. When dissolved in water, this also will give 2H plus ion plus carbonate ion minus 2. Like that, acetic acid, if you take CH3 COOH in aqueous solution, it will give also CH3 COO minus plus this H plus ions. So this is the complete list of the strong acids. So students, it's very important to learn you. And the next videos will be talking the acids, your dilute acid, concentrated acids, and finally we will be talking about the bases, type of bases. So today's videos, this is enough. Thank you. Have a nice day.